This is a premium rotary tool that comes with a promise of high performance. It houses a strong motor that can keep up with demanding work without any trouble. Credit to the variable speed, it's also quite versatile. You can set the speed from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, depending on the project's needs. Consistent customer feedback suggests that this tool allows for precision work like no other equivalent rotary tool out there. Keep in mind that it can be used with all the Dremel accessories. It also has a light that illuminates dark spaces, allowing a person to work more efficiently in a dark environment. Better still, the innovative airflow mechanism on this thing prevents heat buildup for a quieter and cooler operation. As you can tell, this best rotary tool has a lot going for it. Product features. The Dremel 4000-650 FF high-performance rotary tool kit comes well stocked with plenty of sanding discs, bits, and more. A box is included to house all the pieces together so that they don't get lost. Design-wise, it's almost perfect too. It features separate control for on, off and speed adjustment. Also, the speed control is protected on purpose to prevent a user from accidentally changing the gear, which is very helpful, especially when a project requires you to work at the same speed setting. It also feels better in the hands. Not to mention that this is a really tough tool. It will last for many years. So, you won't be looking for another rotary tool anytime soon. Pros. This rotary tool definitely matches the quality that you would expect from a well-known brand like Dremel. Other attachments that are bought separately will also work with this Dremel high-performance rotary tool kit. As confirmed by a host of past buyers, this rotary tool never bogs down, which is, of course, good to know. Cons. Given its high asking price, the Dremel 4000-650 FF may not be for everyone. If you like to buy or like to know more, click on the link below.